Okay, this lesson is not that difficult na, no, because we have already na-solve na nato mean at saka variance at saka standard deviation, no. Let's have the last part of our lesson, the mean and variance of random variables. Again, the mean and variance of random variables. So we have this one. This is the last part of our lesson. The mean and variance of random variables. Random variables are described by measures of central tendency, like the mean. Yeah, we have, diba? Measures of central tendency, mean, mode, median. The measures of variability, we have the variance at saka standard deviation. The mean of the discrete random variable x is also called the expected value of x. Notationally, the expected value of x is denoted by E of x and use the following formula to compute the mean of a discrete random variable. This is the formula. Again, this is the formula on how to get the mean of the discrete random variable. Where x sub I is the value of the random variable for outcome, and U sub x is the mean of the random variable x, and P of x sub I is the probability that a random variable will be outcome I. Okay. Hala, na may answer. Sorry. Na may answer. Okay, okay. Ito yung gagawin natin. Na may answer, sorry. Nabutangan na nag-answer na ako. How are we going to find the mean? One. Paano nga ba kukunin yung mean? Dali lang. Sabi dito, multiply each x by its probability value. Ito yung x natin, i-multiply siya natin dito. Yan. Ito, i-multiply siya. Ito, i-multiply siya. So, ito, i-multiply siya. Yan. Multiply nyo lang, i-multiply. Again, i-multiply lang ito. Multiply the x sa p of x. Kaya nga, we have this x of p of x. X times p of x. Then, pagkatapos, i-add lahat ito. I-add lahat ito. And the answer is 6.284. The answer is 6.284. That means the mean is 6.284. Again, the mean is 6.284. Again, i-add, i-multiply ito, i-multiply, pagkatapos i-add lahat. And that is the mean already. Okay? This is the mean already. Yan. Pero I suggest, di ba, 2 decimal tayo sa mean. Again, 2 decimal lang tayo sa mean, okay? Again, 2 decimal lang tayo sa mean. Okay, this one. I want you to answer this. Okay? Find the mean. Find the mean. This one can be solved. Find the mean. I already give you the idea. Again, I already gave you the idea. I-times lang ni, pagkahuman, i-add lang lahat. Again, i-times lang ni, then i-add lang lahat. That's how are you going to get the mean. What's the answer? Anyone? Kindly chat your answer. Okay, 1.41, sabi ni Chet. Let's solve. The answer is, very good, it's 1 point, this is the mean, 1.41, that's correct. Okay, again ha, i-multiply lang niya siya, i-multiply, darang answer, i-multiply, darang answer. Ayan, i-multiply na. Pagawan, i-add tanan, i-add na. Ang problema karon, dapat dili mo magtinanga. Okay? Please be careful on how are you going to add these numbers. Dili magtinanga ay sayang. Next. What is the mean of the probability distribution? Again, what is the mean of the probability distribution? Kindly chat your answer. Again, what is the mean of the probability distribution? Kindly chat your answer. Sige, what's your answer, B? What's the mean? I-times lang niya, ha? I-times. Eight plus. Am I correct? The mean is 2.15. None of the above. Okay? It's none of the above. It's because the mean is 2.15. Okay? Next. The median of the discrete random variable, we have here the middle value. Okay? The median of the discrete random variable is the middle value. It is the value of x for which x is greater than, less than or equal to x is less than to 0.5, and the other one naman is greater than or equal to 0.5. Median is the middle. In this case, consider the problem. The median is 2 because, again ha, the median is 2. It's because if you are going to add all of them, it's 0.6. Then, pag greater than 2 naman, if i-add mo siya, 0.7. Okay? Try to ano. This is the solution. The median is 2. The last part, the variance at saka standard deviation, na-discuss na po na ako ni siya, no? To tell you, the process is just similar with ungroup data. Again ha, the process in getting, again, the process in getting the variance at saka the standard deviation is same lang. Same lang siya sa ungroup data. Paras lang. Take note that standard deviation is the square root of variance. Let's have this example, no? We will use this example, 1.41. Follow this table, ha? Follow this table. Take note, the mean, 2 decimal lang tayo sa mean. Again, 2 decimal lang tayo sa mean. So, 0, if x is 0, 0 minus 1.41, dara. Pag 1, dara. Then, ito, then i-squared mo siya. Of course, pag i-squared mo to, lahat maging positive. Okay? Pag i-squared mo ito siya, pag i-squared mo ito, lahat maging positive. Then, after that one, i-times mo siya sa probability. The x minus mean squared, ito, the x minus mean squared, i-times mo siya sa probability, 0.25 times ito yung sagot. Yan. Then, i-add mo lahat. I-add mo lahat, that is the summation of, then pag i-add mo lahat, this is the summation of x minus mean squared times probability of x. And this is now your variance. A variance should be 4 decimal places. Again, variance should be 4 decimal places and your standard deviation should be 2 decimal places. Wait, nakalimot kong edit. Agoy, di na siya ma-edit. I-crop ko na lang. Okay. Yan. Pag i-add mo lahat, that is our variance. And the standard deviation is the square root of variance, which is 1.18. Similar lang siya sa ato ang ano ha, yung sa ungroup data. Again, similar lang siya sa ungroup data. Okay, kani daw. Let's have this data daw. Let's have this data. Let's have this final example, last example. Again, last example na tayo. Kindly copy the data first. Again, kindly copy the data kasi I will show my solution. Again, kindly copy the data, then I will show my solution. Okay, na-copy na? Who can tell me the data? Ano yung data natin dito? Yes, Jed?
Number of adults, X.
Ang X natin, what are the X?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Ang P of X?
8.15.
Ha?
8.15.
Abot pala ng 8? I think wala.
Ay,
Hindi mo sige.
0 po, sir. 0.15. Sorry, oh my God.
Okay, thanks. Sige lang. Next.
0.35.
Next.
0.15.
And last, next.
0.10.
And lastly.
0.25.
Okay, thank you, Jed. Now, we are going to get the mean first. Kailangan muna natin makuha ang mean. So, i-times natin yung x at saka p of x. Again, i-times natin yung x at saka p of x para makuha yung mean. 1 times 0.15, it's 0.15. 2 times 0.35, pila? 0.70. Am I correct? 0.70? Please correct me if I'm wrong, ha? 3 times 15 is 0.45. 4 times 10 is 0.40. Then 5 times 0.25 is 1.25. You are going to add all of them to get the summation, to get the mean. I-add mo lahat, you will get the mean. I have 2.95. Tama ba ko 2.95? Or na ko'y mali? Okay, thank you, tama. 2.95. Then we have the mean. We have this table. You are going to create this table, no? X. Pangit. X minus mean. Sa kabila, X minus mean squared. Then, ang last is X minus mean squared times P of X. Okay. Our X is 1. 1 minus 2.95 is negative 1.95. Tama ba? 1 minus 2.95 is negative 1.95. Then, pag i-squared mo siya, pag i-squared mo is 3.8025. Then, i-times mo siya sa probability. The answer is, kapiyat na nasa kalkyo. Again, kapihat tanan ang nasa kalkyo. Yan. Next, we have the 2. It's negative 0.95. 2. 2 minus 2.95. Then i-squared mo, that's 0.9025. I-times mo siya sa probability. The probability is 0.35. Isulat mo lahat. Okay? I-correct ko ha kung mali ko. Next, the 3. 3 minus 2.95. 3 minus 2.95 is 0.05. Pag i-squared mo, 0.0025. Pag i-times mo siya sa probability, you have 0.000375. Then 4. 4 minus 2.95. We have 1.05. Pag i-squared mo, 1.1025. Pag i-times mo siya sa probability na 0.10, the answer is 0.11025. Lastly, the 5. 5 minus 2.95 is 2.05. Pag i-squared mo, 4 point, i-times mo siya sa probability, this is 1.050625. Okay. I-add mo to lahat. I-add mo to lahat. Pila ito? Please be careful sa pag-add ha. Please be careful. I have the answer of, this is the summation of x minus mean squared times px. Bakit ano ko? 2.0475. Okay. That means the variance is 2.0475. 4 decimal places ang variance sa 4 decimal places. The standard deviation, okay, this is the symbol for variance ha. And the standard deviation in 2 decimal places, we have 1.43. Okay. Now, kindly copy this one. Okay? Kindly copy. This is the process. This is the answer na to. Kung face-to-face pa mo, no, ma-remember na ako din sa face-to-face ba sa una class na nagpa-quiz ko ni sa mga estudyante ang ano-ani kay individual at tanan. Yeah, individual siya din. Ilahi mong problem tanan. Ingani. Oo. Pag mamali mong isa solve tanan, mali ka dali so. Again, pag mamali di mo solve gani diri no, mamali mo diri nga part. I mean, kung naa mo error pa lang daan, mali pagkuha sa yung mean, mali na mo tanan. Again ha, nako nga sa una nga case, o face to face. Mali gani ang pagkuha sa mean, mali na jud mo tanan, di na ako sa i-check. Kay mali naman. How come maging tama yung variance at saka SD? Kung mali imong mean. Nga take note, para makuha ang variance, nag-rely mo siya sa mean. So, yon. Okay, I do hope na picture na. Now, let's proceed to Excel. Ato ta sa Excel. Tudloan ta mo Excel. Pwede na siya ma-Excel. Pwede na ni, wala lagay seconds siguro, makuha na. I mean, minutes lang siguro. Jed, can you give me the data, Jed?
kanino, sir?
Okay, wait lang. Sa Excel tayo, X.
Ay.
Wait lang dyan ha.
Okay,
Same,
sir.
same data lang. Sige, ano yung X natin?
1 to 5, sir.
1 to 5, no?
Oh.
Okay. The P of X,
0.15.
next.
0.35.
35, next.
0.15.
15, next.
0.10.
10. Lastly,
0.25.
okay. Name mo ni si X times P of X. Kasama na siya. Yung buhaton, si X, it times the P of X. Yan. And you will have the mean. The mean is equal to, sum lang, i-add lang ni tanan, the mean is 2.95. The mean is 2.95. Then this is the X minus mean. Then X minus mean squared. And then, wait, gamay dapat. This is the X minus mean times P of X. Yan. So, X minus mean. Ito yung X natin minus the mean. The mean is 2.95. Then, i-squared mo siya. Ito, i-squared mo to. Then, ito, i-times sa ating probability. Times the probability. 1. Ang times sa is asterisk. Ang times kaya asterisk. Yan. Then, ano siya? I-drag siya. I-highlight. Then, drag. Wala. Then, the sum of this one is your variance. Yeah, this is your variance. And lastly, the SD. The SD is the square root, SQRT of this one. 2 decimal places. And you have that one. O, diba? Wala lang siya naabtan og 5 minutes sa pag-solve. Ang ana ra di ay. Okay, kung mogamit mong Excel. Again na kung mogamit mong Excel. Sa quizzer, ito mag-Excel. Okay na naman, di man ko masako. As long as you know the process. Again ha, as long as alam niyo ang manual process and mag-Excel mo, at as long as kabalo mo mag-Excel. Kana lang, kabalo mo mag-Excel. Okay? Di mo maglisod. Para sa akong gibuhat karon, pila lang ka minuto, humana. Mga 2 minutes, humana lang. Di ba? Amazing. Okay? Muna sa una, pag face-to-face, pas-pas ko maka-check, no? Sa ilang papel, ingani, nga naman. Na naman ko answer daan. Di nga mo na ako tanan. So, pag ibutang lang ako ni data, ibutang lang na ako ni siya, din mo gawas ng answer, din, muna. Okay? Do you have question before we will end? Because it's almost 3 p.m. Don't you worry, the PowerPoint will be posted. Yeah. Na ako'y pa-practice, another problem, kung gusto mo mag-answer, practice. Sa PowerPoint na ay wala na ako na-answeran dito. Again, sa PowerPoint, na ako'y wala na-answeran, pwede kayo ang magsagot. Pwede nyo practicean sa inyong balay. Pwede na siya, kaning group 2, wala na ako na-answeran then pwede ka muna ang mag-answer ani class. Wala problema. Kamo na'y bahala. Wait lang, baliktad akong formula, no? Okay? Wait lang, mali nga formula na baliktad. Mean minus x. X minus mean. Edit lang na ako, ha? Pwede ninyo ipa-check. Yes, I am willing to check, ha? Again, kung gusto mo mag-answer, Ani, I am willing to check your answer, no? Wala problema na sa ako, Kapanoon para maka-learn mo. Again, how? I am willing to check. Oo. Para maka-learn pod mo. Sige. So, wait lang, ha? Saan decimal dara? P of X. Okay ra di kay sa ako magpa-check mo, class. I am willing to check everything. Kana panoon no nga naamoy mabalaan.